Are you looking for the best cat costumes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cat costumes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lion Mane Costume for Cat Halloween Special. This lion mane costume is designed to fit adult cats or small dogs comfortably with its small and large sizes. It features a full, bushy mane just like a real lion with traditional colors and rugged looks. It's great for photo shoots, fun party days, or for Halloween or Christmas gatherings, as its super cute cat lion mane costume with plush ears lets you dress up your feline friend like a real wild animal. The premium blend of cotton and polyester fabric is gentle on skin and coats while offering form-fitting comfort. What we like: adorable design, high-quality material, easy to put on, great for photos, quick delivery. What we don't like: may not fit all cats. Some cats may resist wearing. Number 2. Weewooday 5-Pieces Cat and Small Dog Hats. Weewooday 5-Pieces cat and small dog hats are made of quality short plush material and feature mix and match styles of rabbit ears, flower, and fruit hats. The adjustable sticky strap makes them comfortable to wear without tightness, suitable for pets with net girths of 7.87 to 13.78 inches. They can be applied as attractive gifts for pets, family members, or friends, making them adorable and warm in the winter. The package contains 5 pieces of hats, a nice combination to make a happy holiday for your cat and small dog. What we like: adorable designs, good quality for price, assorted sizes available, great for pictures, hilarious to see. What we don't like: sizes vary for different cats, some quality issues. Number 3. Poise Halloween Cat Bat Wings. The Poise bat wings are a fantastic Halloween costume accessory for your pet cat. With an adjustable size that fits most cats, you can easily ensure a comfortable fit. Made from lightweight black felt cloth, these wings won't restrict your cat's movement, allowing them to play freely. The cute bat design adds a fun touch to your Halloween festivities, making your cat the center of attention. Plus, it's a great way to include your furry friend in the celebrations, ensuring they enjoy Halloween just as much as you do. What we like: super cute design, comfortable and lightweight, easy to put on, durable and well made, great for photos. What we don't like: a little snug for some cats, may not fit all sizes perfectly. Number 4. Onmygogo Lion Mane Wig for Cats. Transform your beloved pet into the king of the jungle with the Onmygogo Lion Mane Wig for Cats. This realistic and best-fitting lion mane cat costume will give your furry friend the heart of a lion. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or any other party, this lion wig will make your cat the most eye-catching one at the event. The mane is made of top-quality soft long plush, providing a non-irritable soft touch for your pet. With a neck circumference of 10 to 14 inches, this costume fits most average-sized cats and small dogs. Plus, it's easy to wash, ensuring clean and hygienic use. Give your cat the gift of being the noble king of the jungle with the Onmygogo Lion Mane Wig. What we like: easy to put on, cute design for photos, fits well, adorable fur texture. What we don't like: doesn't stay on, might annoy pets. Number 5. Molain Cat Sunglasses with Gold Chain. The Molain Cat sunglasses are a stylish accessory for your furry friends. The frame fits comfortably on most small to medium pets, ensuring they look adorable while being protected from UV rays. The adjustable gold chain adds a chic touch and is perfect for daily wear or special occasions. Made from lightweight materials, these sunglasses and collar are designed for comfort, allowing your pets to wear them for extended periods without hassle. Whether you're capturing family photos or enjoying a day out, these accessories will help your pet stand out and look fabulous. What we like: lightweight material, stylish design, great for photos, easy to adjust length, good value for price. What we don't like. Chain a bit long. Glasses may not fit well.